Evo me, srčke. Evo me logija. Sve oko logija. Anyways, see, looking at that, toilets like fixed and stuff. I hooked it up, this thing works and everything. Hooked that up. It's not leaky anymore. I put the silicone on there. Oh, what's going to get? No, it's a tune. No, it's a tune. Prilično dole mi neki milimetar, ako da sam ja profesional. Anyway, here's all that. That's the chimney. So it's looking like. It's going. It's like halfway there. Big ass hole, and it's like halfway there. So anyways, see? Look how big the chimney is. It's like halfway there. See, I put the thing up down there for it to go in there and stuff. Professional. Oh yeah. Here's my how it's looking like. Got this little thing right there. And lots of mess. I don't have a table, so I just put that like right there. So anyways, I'm mixing this beer and this, some homemade, whatever it is, and it's like right here. And then there's my cigarette filling operation. Fabrica told me, Fabrica Duhana. 2 minutes. No, that's good enough. Anyways, hold up a second. That's how it's looking up here. Look, they put the thing in there. Cool, yeah, it's looking like. For God's sake, I'm fixing this up too. Hold up a second. Fixing this up too. See? Fixing that up too. And then like that. The thing's gonna go like right here. Like only one piece. It's easy. Good enough. Only like one piece right there. And it's gonna be like for the towels and shampoos and all that stuff. Anyways, hold up. I gotta like the stairs are looking like too. Anyways, like down here. Anyways, my mom's at the sister house. I don't know. They call this like cleanliness or something. He's going on. He's going on. He's going on. He's going on. He's up there. Hey, looking like, I don't know, Grand Canyon or something. Anyways, that's what it's looking like. So, I'm not going in there. Crystal Copus. So it's looking like. So I got a cooling it down system. Then, that's about it.